Gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I hope this day finds you in good health, mind right, spirit straight. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We've been talking extensively about hygiene. Today we're going to switch it up and discuss fashion. Let's talk about our crown. You can never go wrong with a nice brim. If you've been enjoying the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. Let's groove. The summer months are just around the corner. Selecting the right headwear becomes increasingly critical for men. I personally have a nice hat collection for all occasions. Summer headwear serves a dual purpose. It offers vital protection from the sun while also enhancing personal style. Did you know summer hats are instrumental in preventing heat stroke? By shielding the head and face from direct sunlight, headwear can help regulate body temperature, ensuring comfort even on the warmest days. A hat that breathes and is lightweight allows for better air circulation. Not just protection, but also comfort. Fabrics like cotton, linen, and straw are often ideal for summer headwear, as they are both breathable and lightweight, and you can rock them outdoors. Choosing the right hat can elevate an outfit, whether it's casual or a more formal event. We all know hats come in various styles, from fedoras to baseball caps. We can express their uniqueness while maintaining functionality. Let's take a look at a few different styles and colors. My brothers, check out Bruno Capello Modern Headwear. Their link is in the description box below. From the crown of your head to the sole of your feet, stay sharp. Gentlemen, let's get it.
Shalom.
Shalom. Gentlemen, let's get it.
Shalom.
Shalom.